Welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Greenbelt, one of the most luxurious shopping malls in the Philippines. It's going to be a great time. Come check it out with me. Greenbelt Shopping Mall is located at Ayala Center in Makati, Metro Manila, Philippines. It sits on over 300,000 square feet of garden with 5 sections consisting of both enclosed and open-air dining and shopping. It's one of the first outdoor malls in the Philippines. Let's check out the different sections starting with Greenbelt 5. What's really interesting about this mall is that they have a chapel behind me, so when you're shopping, you can actually go to church. 80% or close to 80% of Filipinos are Catholic, so it's so appropriate to have that here. Greenbelt 5 features a mix of imported high-end retail shops and local Filipino designers. All right, let's head up to the second floor. We're still in Greenbelt 5. This place has first and second floor. There's so many different stores. So we're in the second floor. That's where we came in, if you guys remember. So in Greenbelt 5, this space right here, which actually looks like a great space for a fashion show. They've had fashion shows on these stairs, and as you can see, people kind of sit and chill. Because we're in Greenbelt, I want to peek out the window. There's just so much greenery here, thus the name. There's even a bit of an overcast, but beautiful. And further down, there are more restaurants. I love Chibo, you guys. That's pasta. So good. People love to eat in the Philippines, and I am all about it, you guys. There's so many options of food. Look how busy the restaurants are. Many of the restaurants at Greenbelt 5 offer outdoor dining, which is situated alongside a beautiful garden. At Greenbelt 4, you'll see a collection of world-class, luxurious brands like Prada, Gucci, Ferragamo, and Louis Vuitton. So if you are looking to watch a movie or grab coffee or eat, Greenbelt 3 is the place to be. Look at all these people behind me. There's Starbucks, a lot of kind of alfresco dining, and upstairs is a movie theater. Let's go check it out. You guys, here is the movie theater. Filipinos love movies, and I am Filipino and love movies too. Look at all these people. So here are the kind of quick restaurants you can find while waiting in line, and actually this really long line is for the concession stand for popcorn. Heading down from the movie theater, there is a time zone for the kids, actually a rather large time zone. So we are at Greenbelt 3, and I am going to show you guys the restaurants here that people usually go to before checking out a movie. All right, here's some more restaurants. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Aria, Din Tai Fung. They have that in Aria as well. Bunch of restaurants. I actually want to come over here, you guys, and peek, because I think one of the kind of charming factors about Greenbelt, especially on a great weather day, is that you can kind of sit in their garden area. They've got a little pond area as well. Look at this. I love the outdoor seating, but then you also have the option of sitting inside. We got some Japanese food. I'm gonna say weather-wise, as we look at the restaurants, it's about mid-80s, but because it's humid here, oh my gosh, it feels so much hotter. I think I'm gonna get the awesome red milk tea with brown sugar pearls. And if they do double boba, I'm all about it. Okay, you guys, I got my 2 teas. Looks good, because it's so hot in this country. At Greenbelt 2, you'll find a residential area called Greenbelt Townhomes. I'd love to live here. I'd be able to walk down to the mall anytime I wanted to shop and eat, although that probably wouldn't be good for my wallet or waistline. Greenbelt 2 also features high-end sit-down restaurants. They're perfect for groups of friends to gather or date nights. They have outdoor patios with beautiful greenery off to the side. Let's go into Greenbelt 1, which is actually the original Greenbelt. So you're going to see it looking a little older than the other ones. But here you'll find restaurants. Lots of restaurants, which are kind of lower end, kind of fast casual type of restaurants. Along with an Ace Hardware, fast food restaurant called Tokyo, and a Filipino institution called Via Mare, and it is for Filipino food. Let's check it out. Stay guys, stay. So this is what we got. We got pork tocino and lechon kawale. You'll also find a grocery store here called the Marketplace. Going upstairs, you'll find some little stores where you can buy cell phone accessories, which are actually closed today. It's the first day of January, so some of them are open. There's also a theater, a small theater stage where they have theater productions. And here's one that's actually open. Hello. Cell phone cases, cords. So this is the second floor of Greenbelt 1. And as I mentioned earlier, they're actually going to tear this down. It's a little older, as you'll be able to see from the other sections that this is much older. There's more food in this section. Here are some more restaurants, still in Greenbelt 1. I would say these are, I don't want to say low end, but they're affordable, fast, casual restaurants. They also have a kiosk, or a few kiosks in the middle where you can buy little things, jewelry, fruit. And you guys, I see a boba place called Happy Lemon. Let's get some boba. Let's grab some boba tea from Happy Lemon. Okay, so I got 2 of them, and you know that their glass isn't clear, so you can't see in it. But you know what's really cute? So I ordered for takeout, and it comes in this, comes with a bag. Like, that's part of it. Cool. Thanks so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at inandoutofvegas.